Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your PlayStation 5 Pro. So I'm just at the home screen here where I have to select my language. So I'm going to go to English. And then I have to set it up with a wireless network. So I can see all the ones at my house right now. I got Scump, Miss Beast, and all these other ones. So I'm going to go to one of these and just type it in. Now you could do this later if you really want. So you can type it in now or just do it later. So you have this option down here, do this later. Let's select this. Now adjust the display area. So use the D-pad up and down. You can see all these black bars. So I'm going to go up to the top and it looks like I still have some black areas around here. So I might go to my TV settings and adjust that at some point in time. So it's the largest it's going to get right now. So let's go to OK. And that looks okay right here. But I do see some edges here. So I might do that on my TV later. So let's adjust the color for the HDR. So go up and down on the D-pad until you can barely see this little sun. So this looks good right about here. I'm going to go next and then do the same thing, adjust this up and down. And that looks good. It barely disappears for me. Go to next. And then here's the last screen. And I can actually see these all. On my other TV, I don't see any of these. So let's go to OK. Now select your time zone. So I'm in Central Time, so I'm going to go up and down until I can find Central Time. So it looks like Eastern Time is the default. So here's Central Time, or Central America I went to accidentally, so I can go back and go to Central Time. And here are your power options. So low power use, optimize. Now it doesn't take a lot of energy. Maybe it's going to cost like $10 to $15 a year just to keep your PlayStation in rest mode, but you can go to one of these. So you can decide which one you want. I'm just going to go to optimize experience, so I can put it into rest mode and download any kind of updates and I don't have to worry about it. So let's go to OK. Then go to the user agreement and go to confirm. Hit that, and then here's your user. Now you can go to this and just make any kind of user you want. And we're going to add our account later on from our PlayStation 5 or PS4. So let's go to OK. And then you can go to limited data only or confirm. For your data collection, I'm going to go to limited data only. They like to track what you do on here. So here's the welcome screen. Welcome to PlayStation 5. If this is your first time playing a PS5, congratulations. I love it. So we are now to the screen. It is very quick and we got to set it up to the internet. So let's go to settings now and select this and go to network. And then we can choose the connection. So once we do this, we're going to set up a new account. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's going to be very easy. So let's go to set up internet options. And then once again, I'll find my internet. I got Mr. Beast, Miss Beast, and all these different options. So it's really quick to get this screen. So let's choose this. Now I'm going to type in the password. All right, so we're setting up. I'm connected to the internet and I'm downloading something right now. So it looks like Astro's Playroom is downloading. So that must be like in a default experience now. So you can see I have these downloading. Let's go back to the users now. Press the PlayStation button. And you can see all this right here. Let's go to user 1. Go to switch user. And then go to add user now. And then go to get started. And then go to agree, go to confirm, and then we can go, and well, it says you need to do an update. So you can do this later or now. And then you can see add user right there, but let's go to the update and just update this and update it. And it looks like it's a 1.3 update right now. So we can do that at any point in time. So you have the option to play one-time guest, and it looks like you have to do this update before you can actually sign in. So we're gonna have to do this now. Okay, so after installing that update, it's going to give you the option to sign in manually, create an account, or skip and play offline. Otherwise, you can scan the QR code right there. So choose your option of how to sign in. I'm just going to scan the QR code since I got the PlayStation app. I'm going to open up the camera option on my phone and then go over this, and it should open up a web link for me to click. So I'm going to go to this. Otherwise, you can just go to sign in manually, and if you know your email address and password, easy enough. Then, since I'm already signed in the app, all I have to do is hit approve. And it's going to sign me in, just like that. And there's me, Timbo Slicin'. Let's sign in. Is this you? So I'm going to turn on my controller. I forgot to do that. Let's go to sign in. And boom, it says please wait. So, very easy to set up. It says secure your account requires a PS5 login passcode. Okay. So let's type that in. All right, dude. Boom, I'm good. Let's go to OK. And then I'm going to enable my console for sharing offline play. This will allow me to share PS Plus to all my other accounts and all my games from my main account to all my other accounts. So make sure this is enabled. Now it says you already have another PS5 with console sharing offline play. So it says, do you want to enable? So I'm going to go ahead and enable this one for offline play because I'll probably be playing this one a little bit more. It says I can't. So I have to go to my other PS5, it seems like. And then I'm going to need to disable that one before I can go ahead and do that on my PS5. So I'm going to update my controller right now too, because it looks like there's an update for that. Alright, so I'm at the home screen here. I have to press a bunch of X buttons to just bypass everything. But I want to download my first game on my PlayStation 5 Pro. So I'm going to go on over to my game library and go on down. And then go on over to my collection. And I'm looking for Call of Duty. Just press X everywhere it says got this. So let's get Call of Duty on here. Let's go to Black Ops 6 and download this. And I'm going to want to get Black Ops 6 and I believe Warzone. We got install options. So we got MW2. I don't want all these on here. I just want Black Ops 6. So let's get rid of this. So we got Warzone, MW2, and Warzone number 2 and 3. Then we got content packs. And then we got Black Ops 6 campaign. So this is a little bit confusing. I just want to do Black Ops 6 multiplayer and Warzone. So I'm just going to go to OK, and I'll probably just delete something in the future. So this might take a few minutes for it to download. And then you got your first game on here. Otherwise, you can go to the store and start finding free games to download, whatnot. So I can press the PlayStation button, go to my downloads, and I can view everything under here. So it looks like these are downloading right now. So I got them right here. 56 gigabytes, and I should be good to go. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Gaming.